Yeah, the development of the spinning sector, you have to really see it case by case or country by country, even customer by customer. We have a lot of customers who are vertically organized. That means they go from spinning preparation down to final products, confection even. Those customers, yes, they continue on installing or updating their spinning machines or the preparation. We have a lot of old customers who also have a lot of potential of updating their machines. So in general, yes, spinning, there is still a lot of spinning going on in South America, even though we know that the markets here, the Andean markets, also face a lot of competition from Far East Asia. So eventually, depending on the circumstances, depending on energy costs, depending on political issues or various other factors, they eventually buy the yarn from overseas. That's why we see here, for example, at Colombiatex development in the last 10 years, a lot more yarn manufacturers from Far East Asia, for example, are also participating because they see a lot of potential of selling their yarn here in Colombia and the surrounding markets. And yes, there is a good potential to be quite open. For us, yes, I would say Argentina, Brazil, of course. Brazil is one of the biggest markets for us. The huge potential. There's still a lot of investment going on. We have Argentina with now a new government, but also there it shows that our customers are updating. They know they are facing competition or more competition now. So they are also trying to modernize their equipment. I would say in South America right now you don't find too many big new projects where customers would say, okay, we build a new spinning company from scratch. Yes, there are some projects, but most of the projects are actually modernization of existing lines. It's a good question. We had booming years, let's say after Corona. 2021 was amazing, really. I haven't seen in now 30 years of being with Trützschler, I have not seen such a boom, for example, in Turkey or in other big volume markets. So basically the whole world invested, which resulted also in very long delivery times, where our customers, and of course us as suppliers, we all suffered because normally we are used to maybe 6 months delivery times, and at that time we were talking about 2 years delivery time. So that was a major headache, but we could overcome all this. We are back to normal delivery times. Yes, we see a development. Last year was a little bit on the slow side. I would say there is good potential for 2025, mostly second half of 2025, that things will improve, definitely. Depending on the market, like I said earlier, there are some markets who depend on the imports from Europe. In Europe, the consumption has been reduced, energy costs are higher, the people try to keep the money in their pockets, but in general, if there are a few of the obstacles our customers are facing, if there are a few obstacles changing, we are very positive that things will improve or things will be having a positive outcome. That remains to be seen. One crucial issue is, of course, that you have the various herds of crisis. If we're talking about Lebanon, Syria, and Ukraine in particular, if that is improving dramatically or more or less in the course of this year, it will have also a positive impact on our business for sure.